Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, have I got a property for you? It's a really cool option. I think there's a lot of value in this property myself, just based on what I've seen, which is the listing and from the outside, because we walk around Torrita di Siena daily and we find all kinds of cool stuff for you guys. Anyway, this one is 105 square meters. They're asking 109 for it. It's pretty much a lot of the top floor of one of these buildings in the historic center. Now, since there's only a few pictures of the property itself, let me tell you about Torrita di Siena. Okay, so we came here, we bought our house here because we love it. It's a beautiful hill town, very tranquil, very peaceful, a lot of events. In fact, this weekend there's a book event, like a book fair kind of thing, where they have all kinds of booky things happening, and we're going to cover that for you guys. Also, last week we ran out, they had their flag throwers in the piazza there with the whole marching band and everything else, and it was fantastic. Pretty soon, actually a few weeks coming up, we have the Blues Festival. It's an international blues festival, so that's going to be exciting because we can experience it all from our terrace up there. It's right in the piazza, which is right around the corner from us. And then in March you have the Donkey Palio. It's a week-long festival where it ends in a donkey race, and it's just a lot of fun, a lot of good food and everything else. All around the exterior, there's parks, there's beautiful farmland. Anytime you leave the building and go out somewhere, it's just a treat for the eyes. We cannot say enough wonderful things about Torrita di Siena. And another big plus point is that my gallery will be opening soon here. So you can come here, have a coffee, chit chat with me, and look at some art. So take a look at this house. I think you're gonna like it. It's 2 bedrooms, but 1 bathroom, 105 square meters, asking 109,000. Looks to be in pretty good shape. So there you go, guys. Take a look.